Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can plant and grow a garden. So guys, this tutorial is for you who is still a beginner in playing grow a garden on Roblox. And if you want to plant something on your garden, you can go to the seeds menu and you will arrive here. And you can talk to this person, and then here are the seeds that in stock, and you just need to click on the seed and then you need to buy the seed. For example, I'm going to buy this tomato seed. Okay, and then we can go back to our garden. Just click on the garden here, and then you can find a place or a location to plant your seed. I'm going to plant it here. We can click on the seed right here. Okay, and then you can select the location. For the tomato, I'm going to plant the tomato here. Okay, and then we just need to wait until the tomato grow. Alright, that's it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to plant and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!